Hello everyone, I'm coming to you live in this little video, doing a little unboxing video of a Weston Junior exposure meteor. Now, I got this at the flea market yesterday and I want to check it out and see what it is. So they made these in 1938. This is an Art Deco style and it's still in the original box. Let's unbox this, guys. Now, look, here's this beautiful thing. Look at it, it's nice and heavy. It has the meter there, it's like paper. Can't meter in because I'm inside right now. But exposure there. There's the light and the button. This is actually looks like it's almost brand new. For being a 1938 Art Deco style light exposure meter, Weston Junior's exposure meter 850. This is a great flea market find and it would be great for my photography. And I'm hoping to get it out here with my cameras. And well, if you guys like this, please like and sub to my channel. And I hope I'll see you guys soon. And TikTok and Instagram and YouTube and everything. Anyways, yeah, here's the box. The back of the box, still in the original packaging. Looks like it's brand new, guys. Got it for a couple bucks at the flea market. Alright guys, I'll see you guys soon.